Okay, so we went over a lot. Feel free to steal pretty much anything that I'm using. Everything I'm using is completely free. I'm not using any fancy fonts or anything like that. I just happen to find a nice theme that I really like that apparently a lot of other people like. So what I would like you to do for your project is to set up your VS Code to look like mine. And I want you to show me which extensions you have installed. So if I make this bigger, we can see these little icons pop up. So you should be using a different theme, not the default one from VS Code, but a different theme. I'm using Material theme. You can use any other theme that you like. If you want to completely copy me, that's totally a-okay. And then I just want you to take a screenshot of your VS Code being open. It doesn't have to have any code open. Let's not save that. It doesn't have to have any code open. And just show me what kind of extensions you have in there. I would highly recommend that you get at least the Python extension. If you want some fun, the Power Mode extension, the Material Theme extension, and the Material Theme Icons extension. And what else to get started? Maybe the Community Material Theme if you want to use that one as well. And that's about it. That's all you really need at the very beginning. Oh, maybe To-Do Tree. This is a fun one. I like that one a lot. So go ahead and install a new theme and the extensions that you want, and then take a screenshot of your VS Code and share it with a class down below. I want to see what you have set up and how you are using VS Code. And it could be completely different. You could be using different extensions. You could be using a different theme. Or it could be the exact same. You could just literally copy everything I have. That is okay too. But make sure you take a screenshot of your VS Code with your extensions open. Take a screenshot of the whole thing and share it with a class down below. Thanks for watching this. I have been Caleb Tallien, your instructor. You're going to see a lot of different content from me. And this is the exact setup that I use.